Oh my god. Okay, let's start the first.
Where are we?
Oh.
We're in Disneyland,
Oh, no.
kids.
Okay, we're in Disneyland.
Hi everybody, welcome back to at Cat Gaming, or actually no, it's called The Nat now. So welcome back to The Nat. And today we're going to be playing a game. What's the game called again?
I think
It's called
like
Spin Out.
Yes, Spin Out
Yeah,
with Jack and TJ Hawk. Go subscribe to them. They're the Blacksmith Pirates, I think. Is that it?
Blacksmith
Boys, where did you get pirates from?
Sorry, the Blacksmith Boys. But go subscribe to them and
We're
subscribe
a
to me.
newer channel. We're a newer channel, and we have had channels in the past. So yeah.
So yeah. Well, let's get on to the video.
So
Pull the trigger.
how exactly do we play this?
So you see that card? I guess you can either draw a card or you can shoot.
Oh.
Dealer is giving the shot.
I was trying to shoot him. Oh, that's the dealer.
Yeah, he's the dealer.
I'll draw a card.
Alright.
Ooh,
Risk.
it's a fancy toy.
Oh my. What? Oh, okay, I get it. Oh.
I can't. Wait, it wasn't letting me cancel my action. Like I wanted to get myself.
This is for the video, Tim. Stop.
That was why my
You gotta get yourself.
Yeah.
It's a blank, yeah.
Oh shoot.
There were only 2 live Oh god. Okay, here we go.
There's 3
We
blanks.
entered like a hard thing.
So it's a 50-50 right
This
now.
is just a
I'm gonna risk it.
Shoot him.
Yep. Let's go.
How do you
Tim.
risk?
Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Oh. Rest in peace.
Blank. Dang.
Oh no.
I have 80 health right
At
now.
the rest of the card. The rest of the shots
Crap,
are
that's
all
live.
live. What?
That one's
Now they're all.
Okay, I'm sorry, Tim. I did not mean to. Please don't shoot me.
All
Because
right.
it hit me. You know the rest of the cards are
That's 2
Wow.
times damage.
Wow. I look like a dolphin.
50-50.
Sudden death. It's a sudden death.
Do it, Jack.
Rest in peace.
Oh no, poor boy.
Ah.
Are
What?
you
I'm sorry,
playing
but-
blackjack?
I'm sorry, but it's every man for himself, honey.
B.
Honey. No. Not roulette.
It
I've had
looks like
enough
it's
of
some
this.
twisted. Man, this is how I lost little Jimmy. Anyway. I saw this guy said there's 1 live in this gun. Don't shoot me, bro.
I'm
Oh my
sorry.
God.
I didn't want to shoot myself.
All right, 50-50. Let's go.
50-50, alright. So 50-50.
What is this place?
It's the casino I used to go to.
Oh yeah, I love this casino. Oh! Why did you kill that man?
Jack, shoot yourself. Shoot yourself.
Are you sure?
No. Shoot him. It's a 50-50.
Okay, I'm shooting myself.
I don't even think this.
Whoever
I'm that
wins
good.
this time gets my 2 Robux.
Oh my gosh.
It's a
All
two-
right.
oh,
Bet.
oh,
bet.
you're on. Bet. I ain't betting Robux. But Jack just put money in the pot. Okay, this is a serious thing now.
You always shoot me, Bo.
It was blank.
What's that mean?
Ah!
I'm sorry.
I'll draw a card.
Jack, you know what to do.
What do you mean?
Shoot him.
Oh, I was gonna shoot you. Oops.
Oh, this is gonna be intense.
He just got the gun. He just got the gun. How many bolts?
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm sorry.
It's alive.
I'm questioning my life right now.
I don't. All right.
I'm gonna bet on this. This is alive.
Whoa.
I said I'm betting on this. It's alive. Wait,
You know,
Nathaniel,
you need my Robux. You don't need my 2 Robux, right?
I don't. Yeah, I don't need you 2 Robux.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Please, I will give you my soul if you don't shoot me.
I try to add Nathaniel. Nathaniel, it's a blank.
Okay.
Nathaniel, it's a blank. Oh,
The curse makes it always alive, I'm pretty sure. Or it does something that screws with them. Your curse to almost hit me.
get out of here. Oh.
You guys do realize how much health I have?
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to kill you. Oh.
On my end, Nathaniel was bright red. That's how I saw you guys.
Dang. I was almost there.
Hey guys, let's go to the same dude. Same guy. Same guy. Same guy.
Same guy.
Same guy, guys.
But it's such a far
Same guy.
walk. And I have
Guys, what is
legs.
this? Guys, I can gamble. Underage gambling. Let's go.
Wait, how?
Over here.
It lets you?
No.
All right, let's just go to this guy.
Right here? Oh yeah,
Yeah.
right here. Go on, guys.
Jack, come on.
Oh.
I think you should just shoot yourself. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
That's alive.
Oh, there's my dead body.
Jack, here's the deal. Here's the deal.
Damage up. Get him.
You yourself, and then we're both low, and then we do a death match. Did you just say you crucified me?
Crucify. Crucify.
Crucify. Crucify.
Crucify.
Crucify. Crucify. Crucify. Nathaniel, I just tried to shoot you. Try to shoot me, Nathaniel.
All right.
Crucify. Crucify. Crucify him. See, this is an actual 50-50.
Card?
Blank. What's blank do?
Rest in
This
peace,
means one
Ted.
of us gets-
What?
I became chunky.
I'm gonna risk it. Let's go.
Oh,
I'm gonna use this.
shoot. I'm sorry, please. If you shoot yourself, I will not. I will cry. I mean, I won't cry. Oh.
Let's go. Hi everybody, real quick, I would just like to thank you for listening and to remind you to go subscribe to the Blacksmith Boys. And thank you for listening. Have a great day.